How I designed and ordered my custom clay stamp in less than 5 minutes for under $30. First, I opened Canva on my phone and typed in circle mango logo. I knew that was what I wanted, and so having an exact search allowed me to find something fairly quickly. I selected a logo that's fairly simple. I just needed something that was black and white. I removed the yellow circle and then went ahead and edited the title for my pottery company. So now I need to change the text. I don't want it to go straight across. I want something small and circular. So at the bottom, you can go to Effects, and then you can choose the option that says Shape. And then I wanted the curve. I decided to type in a specific number, that way that I could match the curve on the top and the bottom text. I'm going to go ahead and take this text, center it, and then copy and paste it. So I can hit duplicate, and now I have two of them. I'm going to select it and go back down to Effects and go back to Shape and Curve. And I'm going to use the same number, but I'm just going to put a minus in front of it. So I will have the exact opposite curve to put on the bottom. I love Canva because it shows you if things are centered. So I was able to align them easily. I want to go ahead and put something to divide the top and bottom. So I just created a circle, and I'm zooming in because this is a really tiny little circle. Zooming in allows me to be able to select it on my phone and move it around. And then I need to duplicate it and put one on the other side. Again, I love how Canva shows you the align feature so you can make sure that they're aligned to one another. I'm checking the top and the bottom. I have to move these to the back because they are overlapping the little mango. And so you can just select and move to back. And then now I can select the mango image. I'm going to go ahead and resize that to fill up the space and center it how I want. I think this is pretty good. Now I just need to download it. So I'm going to download. Depending on who you order from, some people like it as a PDF, some people like it as a JPEG. You have all different options here. If I do download it as a PNG or a JPEG, I try to turn the quality all the way up just to make sure it has nice crisp lines. I'm going to save that to my phone, and then I'm going to go over to Amazon, type in custom clay stamp, and then scroll through some options. I've ordered from this company before, so I'm going to go ahead and select them. That's an excellent price. And I'm going to choose my size. The last one that I did was a little bit smaller. I want this one 1.5 inches. I'm just going to choose the basic handle, upload my design. I don't need a wooden box for it. It's added to cart. I should have that in 2 weeks. Stay tuned for an update of what this looks like.